Okay, so when you exit the airport, do not, and I repeat, do not go to this exchange place. For exchanging at £105, we've been given 83.55 euros. That is absolutely and utterly a criminal behaviour. We've spoke to the police up here. They are not interested. They want nothing to do with it. These people here have just absolutely fleeced my friend. This is absolutely disgusting behaviour from this exchange place. So all I can do is say this exchange place here, which is opposite all the transfer places here, do not go to. They won't give him the English money back. They won't give him a telephone number to complain to. They will not give him an address to complain to. And all they're saying, it's policy and it's just the way they conduct business. So effectively, they've given, well, they should have ended up, he's lost about 25 quid, 26 quid all in on the exchange. Now that is absolutely, utterly horrendous. I've never seen anything like this in my life. And that is basically, I reckon, is criminal behaviour. There you go. End of the vlog, end of the moan, end of the complaint.
I asked for my money as soon as she passed the money through. I thought, what's this? And I said, no, I don't want to do this. It's a crazy exchange rate. And she
doesn't care, I'm not interested, doesn't want to know.
They don't want to know.
It's just criminal behaviour. So do not, and I repeat, do not use this exchange booth near the airport. I've already shown that on the video. So as soon as you exit, do not come here because they will just steal your money off you. Okay, happy days. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. If you like this kind of honest content, please like and subscribe.